everybody! Yeah! Today we are about to ski. Yeah,
yay! I give your glasses back.
Yeah, because I lost my style right now.
Easy, easy.
Yeah, so here is my first cousin, Jerome, and the second one, Thiméon.
Hello.
Sup? So yeah, we have a nice skiing team. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Let's grab some skis before to go on the slopes because it would be kinda annoying to ski without any skis. He. And we are ready to go. I'm so impatient to go on the slopes, aren't you?
I don't understand. Yes, of course.
Almost there, almost on the slopes. First slope of the week. It feels so great to be back on some skis. Even though I've been on some skis like last month, but it's so much different to be in the Alps because, you know, the snow is pretty good for the season, so that's a big thumbs up. And mostly, I mean, look at those landscapes. The Alps, best place in the world.
Et on se gèle les couilles dans le télésiège.
It's me.
So we are going to do a little free ride session, and I think it's gonna be cool because the best thing in the world is powder. I'm talking about snow powder.
If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about me. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, need a tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Thiméon.
Yeah!
They trapped us, there's fruit in their cookie, they tried to make us healthy.
That little free ride session was awesome. It's time to go back skiing. I love skiing so much! So we have a place to stay, but we just arrived in the apartment, so it's such a mess. But I will still shoot an apartment tour even though it's a real mess. Sup? Okay, I think we are tired enough, aren't we?
We are going to go to bed.
See you tomorrow. Good morning. So So we are pretty much ready to go on the slopes, but the problem is that, as you can see, there is a lot of fog. Yeah, that sucks, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot.
Tell me something.
Something.
You are so useless.
Haha. Hey, look what the f is this? The designer sucks. In fact, it's ugly. Yes.
That's my cousin. What do you think of my look right now? Pretty awesome, right? But we just did a pretty awesome free ride session, and that was really fun because the snow is pretty good because it's obviously snowing. So we came back to the apartment and we went totally free ride with the powder. It was so fun, so tiring for the legs. Anyway, there you have it. That was our first day of skiing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, to comment, to subscribe and to share the video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, it's not big enough. Put your hand, please.